Okay, so if you're like me and absolutely hate drinking water, then you're gonna wanna stick around. I'm gonna be opening up this new water bottle I just got from the brand Jamie. So this is supposed to help encourage you to drink water through different scented pods. So you're just drinking normal water, but it comes with all these different, I guess, like smell scented pods that you pop on the top. So you're smelling a flavor while you're drinking the water. And I work in healthcare, so I'm usually drinking tons of coffee, soda, anything caffeinated throughout the day, and then I get home and I'm like, oh my god, I didn't drink any water today. This is a 32-ounce water bottle. It's honestly really nice. Fill this up with a little bit of water. We're gonna screw the top on, and now we're gonna add the scent pod. So this is what they look like in the packaging. It's just this little ring, and we're just going to take this off. And then you just place it around the mouthpiece and it clicks right in. Let's try this. Cheers. So it still tastes like water, but there's something about the smell that just makes it like really enjoyable. This pink one is like, I don't know, maybe like guava, passion fruit, something like that. But it's just this really nice, light, little tropical scent that's added. And it's just really nice. It tastes like water, but it like doesn't taste like water. All right, bye guys. Let me know if you try this out.